Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
All right, the window that we're looking at as far as this storm system over the weekend is later Saturday night and especially into Sunday. Now, until then, it's fairly quiet. Clouds are on the increase right now. No precipitation. Take a look outside and in the streets of downtown Providence with increasing clouds and staying dry. It's much later after midnight and towards daybreak tomorrow. May catch a light snow shower. So if you see that tomorrow morning, don't be surprised. Nothing significant. Looking at temperatures now that are in the upper 30s to 40 in Providence, currently 43 in New Bedford. If we take a look at what we're watching on the weather menu, and it's mainly dry for the rest of the week. The exception, just a brief light snow shower tomorrow morning. Nothing significant. Better part of the day is dry. Turning colder later in the week, Friday and on into the weekend, and then our weekend storm system for Saturday night. Right now leaning towards mostly wet snow, but there may be an element of some sleet and some rain mixing in along the immediate South Shore and out towards New Bedford and Cape Cod. But, you know, considering we're still 3.5, 4 days out, a lot of things to still iron out. So while it's quiet across New England right now, here's the wider view. You can clearly see two storm systems, one across the southeast, and then it'll actually move offshore next 24 hours. It's the one that just came on shore across the west right in here. It's the one that'll track towards the East Coast by the latter part of the weekend and on into Sunday. So let's take this into the future. Watch the time bar. That offshore storm tomorrow, again, staying offshore. Little system coming through tomorrow morning, again, may produce a light snow shower, but high pressure in control, keeping things relatively quiet next couple of days. This is the system that we're watching. We'll take you now into Friday. High pressure along the East Coast means Friday's a dry, sunny, and cold day. And then watching the system across the central and southern plains, this is Friday afternoon. Jump ahead now to Saturday morning at 7 a.m. The system is still across the southeast. A little sunshine Saturday morning through increasing clouds. The daylight hours of Saturday staying dry. Let's switch over to a couple of computer models that we use. One is called the American model. And by Saturday afternoon, we're still dry but clouding up, area of low pressure across the mid-Atlantic, tracking south and east of New England. So Saturday evening and night, we start to see some snow developing and then ramping up during the overnight. Here's the storm Sunday morning at 8 a.m. The blue is snow. The pink is a mixture of sleet along the South Shore. As the storm pulls away Sunday evening, Sunday night, everybody transitions back over to snow. This is Sunday afternoon at 4 o'clock. And then 11 o'clock Sunday night, it is winding down. The other model that we use is the European model. And what's interesting, it has a similar forecast track, but it's a little closer to the coastline. If this were to verify, now this is Sunday morning, there might be a little bit more in the way of rain and sleet mixing in along the coastline, with staying mainly snow inland. And then later Sunday evening, Sunday night, as it pulls away, it transitions back over to snow. Bottom line, the real wild card, and again, we're 3.5, 4 days out, is the exact storm track. So there are a number of storm tracks that can happen here. The one closer to the coastline would bring snow and a little bit more in the way of rain and sleet. The one in blue is a better scenario for snow, if that's what you want. And then one in yellow is a storm system that's further offshore, which is very light precipitation. Kind of taking in the middle of the road here right now, the early call, meaning mostly snow, but still some elements of sleet and rain perhaps mixing in along the South Shore. Again, if you're heading out this evening, weather looks fine, just increasing clouds, cold and dry, with temperatures in the lower 30s. And again, tomorrow morning, you may catch a snow shower early, not a big deal. Then some developing sunshine the second half of the day. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon between 40 and 45. Cold and dry for Friday and Saturday day, and again watching Saturday night and especially on Sunday very closely.